Greetings from Axanta Business Solutions. Have you ever finalized your month-end reports, only to find the numbers changed a week later because someone backdated an invoice? Locking the accounting period is necessary to avoid the chances of posting accounting entries into the previous period. Axanta ERP helps you to easily set accounting closing dates from the accounting module. In order to set up the lock dates, go to the menu, go to Accounting module. Under Accounting, click on Update Lock Dates. As you can see, Axanta offers 3 specific types of lock dates to give you total control. The first one is tax lock dates, the second is lock date for non-advisors, and the third is tax lock dates for all users. Tax lock dates means that no user can edit journal entries related to a tax prior or inclusive of this date. Then, lock date for non-advisors. This prevents standard users from posting or modifying entries before this date. However, users with advisor rights can still make final adjustments. For example, you can use this for period locking inside an open fiscal year. And then, there is lock date for all users. This is the hard lock. Once set, nobody, not even the administrator, can modify any accounting entry. For example, assume that you have closed your books for the month January. So, you need to set the lock date to January 31st, 2026. So now, if any user tries to create an accounting entry prior or on this date, so the system will not allow it. Once you have set the lock date, click on Update, so the lock date will get updated. Now, let's say if any user tries to create a customer invoice or any other accounting entry and backdates it to, let's say, January 15th. So, in the invoice date, if he enters January 15th, the system will give a warning that the date is being set prior to the user lock date. And now if the user tries to confirm the invoice, the system will block it as you cannot add or modify entries prior to and inclusive of the lock date, that is, January 31st, 2026. So, this is how you can use the lock dates in Axanta ERP.